Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to create a competitive analysis in Notion. Step 1. We create a new page. Click on the plus New Page button. This is where we'll be gathering and organizing all our competitive analysis data. It's important to have a dedicated page for this as it keeps everything in one place, making it easier to access and review. Now that we've done that, let's move on to step 2. We're going to create a table. Click on the plus Add a Block button and select Table. This helps us because a table provides a clear and organized structure for our data, allowing for better comparison and analysis of our competitors. Next up, we define our table columns. Think about what information is most important to your competitive analysis. This could be things like market share, product features, pricing, and marketing strategies. The reason we do this is so we can compare our competitors across the same parameters, giving us a more accurate and useful analysis. Step 4. Fill in your table. Enter the data for each of your competitors. This is where the real value of our competitive analysis comes in, as it allows us to spot trends, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Finally, let's create a summary. This should be a brief overview of your key findings. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This summary helps us condense our data into actionable insights, informing our business strategy and decision-making. And that's it. You've now created a competitive analysis in Notion. It's a powerful tool for understanding your market and competitors, and with Notion, it's straightforward and easy to do. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.